Hi, hello everybody. I'm Dr. Irfan Akpan, and I will be your instructor for the 5950 MBA course. Really excited about working with everyone. I think it's going to be a great course. I did want to reach out ahead of time. Number one, just to greet everybody. And two, I got some questions about the textbook, so I wanted to talk about that and then some of the requirements for the text. And I do see a few familiar names, so that's exciting as well. We will be using this book. So it's Microsoft Power BI, and it's written by Brian Larson. So the thing with this book, it is, this is the 2020. There are no new additions to this book. This is the only addition to the book. So we'll be using this, and you can purchase this textbook either new or used. So you can either get it new or used. It's the same book. I reached out to Mr. Larson. He has no plans on updating this book. So this is the book that we're using for the course. And as you can see, we're using a software which is Microsoft Power BI. And we will be using the free version of the software. And this is a Windows, it's a Microsoft product. So you will, and it runs on Windows. So you would need access to a Windows device to run this software. So there are ways, there's things called parallels, and there are some ways that you can convert your Mac device to a Windows device. So I would look into that before class gets started. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you can sign up for Power BI, creating a Microsoft account. If you get the book, in the beginning of the book, it walks you through how to do that. It's free to sign up for Microsoft Power BI. So you can be ahead of the curve in that sense. But otherwise, I hope this helps with the question with the textbook. You can get it new, you can get it used. There's not an online version, in other words. So there's just that hard copy version. I have seen PDF versions of the book. I have had students with a PDF. I would recommend having the book because it walks you through a lot of things and you have it, you can maneuver through it versus toggling back and forth on a computer screen. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out. Love to hear from everyone and look forward to working with everyone. Stop by my office as well if you're on campus. Love to hear from you. Thank you.